This video will aim to cover how to convert from another number base into base 10. So let's take our base 10 numbers to start with, because this will help us understand how we convert from other bases. So let's take the number 246. 246 can be broken down into 2 times 10 squared for the hundreds place, plus 4 times 10 for the tens place, plus 6, technically times 10 to the 0 for the ones place, but we usually just leave the 10 to the 0 out of it because it equals 1 anyways. How does this help us with converting out of another base into base 10? Well, all the other number bases work the same. If you were in base 3, you'd be replacing the 10 with a 3. If you were in base 6, you'd be replacing the 10 with a 6, and so on. But we can also evaluate these equations in other bases to find their numbers in base 10. So for instance, let's take the number 7,424 base 8. To evaluate this into base 10, convert it into base 10, we would expand the same way and then evaluate. So we'd have 7 times 8 to the third plus 4 times 8 squared plus 2 times 8 plus 4, technically again times 8 to the 0th, but we're going to ignore that part. Now, to convert this into base 10, we simply have to evaluate. Using a calculator, we can quickly find that this number in base 10 is equal to 3,860 in base 10. So here we've just converted the number 7,424 in base 8 into base 10 to find its equivalent number. And you can do this with any number base you want, like 2, 5, 10, well, you're already in base 10, but 15, and so on. And it will work every single time. And this is just how you convert different number bases back into base 10. In another video, we'll cover how to convert base 10 into other number bases, but it's a little bit more complicated. So we'll do another video on that.